hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna show you how I achieved this beautiful makeup look that I'm wearing right now. Also, we are doing a makeup tutorial after 4 weeks. I just checked on my YouTube channel, so I'm really excited for this one. I have some new products which I'm gonna be showing you in today's video. So yeah, let's get started. I've already primed my face, used a generous amount of moisturizer, and I'm gonna be starting with my Fenty foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. Now a lot of you ask me why I use color correctors. It's an important part of makeup, that's why I use color corrector, and of course I need it here to cover the acne marks and around the mouth area because there's some discoloration over here, and of course under my eyes. If you do not want to use a color corrector, then you can use full coverage foundation. This is gonna take care of this. Now you can see it has instantly covered my acne spots. Also the shade is 290. It's the Pro Filter Foundation. You can see the coverage, it's just insane. You can see it has already covered my dark circles. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade light medium honey. I wanted to talk about the PR packages. Now you must have seen on my channel I did this sponsored video about this anti-pigmentation cream, and as you all know I read all your comments, so I did read all the comments on that video. I read that there was a cream with the same packaging, or maybe it was the same cream or something like that. So yeah, I don't want to get into the detail. Trust me guys, it did really good for my mom, and her pigmentation faded, and I gave you guys an honest review. But I want to make this clear and make you guys aware of the fact that I will be doing more sponsored videos on my channel in the future also, and I have already received some of the products which I have to make a dedicated video on. So I want to share this with you guys, that sometimes you receive products and then you have to post them in a certain time frame. Now I might not get the time to test them enough to give you guys an honest review about the products. So yeah, that's what I want to mention clearly here. So of course I'll be writing in sponsored video in the description box, and of course I'll be mentioning in the video itself that I have received these products from so and so brand, so that you guys know that this is a sponsored video. And yeah, that's what I want to mention here clearly, because I feel a sense of responsibility, because I know you guys believe me and you guys trust me. Some of you have been religiously following me, so yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys, so that you know this is clear. So back to the makeup. I've already applied the brightening concealer, and you can see now the foundation looks good. Next I'm gonna be setting it with a powder. Guys, I have a new palette from Morphe. It's the 35M Boss Babe palette, and look at the colors. It's just amazing. I love the greens and the shimmers. So this is an old palette. Of course this is new for me, but this is an old palette by Morphe. I love these shades consisting of shimmers and mattes. Look at this green, beautiful green. And yeah, I just love these colors, and the pigmentation is amazing. I just can't wait to try them out. Also I got this for 3000 rupees, and you get 35 shades, which is just amazing for the price. Yeah, we'll start with this. On to the next shade. I think I'm gonna be using this darker purplish shade, and we'll define the crease using this one. Next I'll be using this light green shade, and I'll apply it on my lid area. I'm going back with the purple shade, and I'm defining the crease furthermore. I'll take this green shimmery shade and I'll use it in the inner part, and also to highlight the inner corner. Next I'm gonna do liner. I think I'll be using this shade. Next I'm gonna be using this green eye pencil from Forever 52. मैं इसको brush पे लूँगी and then I'll smudge it. Now I'm gonna add my lashes and then we'll move forward. I'm adding my Smashbox Super Fan Mascara on my lower lashes. Now for blush, I have this palette from Imagic, so I'll be using this shade. And now for lips, I think I'm gonna go for nude lips. We'll be using the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Mogul. And we completely forgot to do the eyebrows. I'm gonna quickly finish the eyebrows and we'll show you the complete look. This is the finished look and I'm just loving the end result. Let me know how do you guys feel about it. Guys, do leave a comment below because I really want to know how do you guys feel about my work. It does not have to be a pleasing comment, like you can also give me suggestions. You can also tell me if you do not like my video. You can tell me I didn't like this video, maybe you should do something like this or that. So yeah, that's completely fine with me because I really want to know how do you guys feel about my work. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye.